Hello friends, you're watching Facade Montage channel. My name is Dennis. Today I wanted to show you how to mark and lay out the spots for canopies on the wall. First we found the center of the wall. Here's where the line is. We marked it along the entire height. The level is set. And now from this line using the tape measure, we make a distance of 45 centimeters. The bars are behind the film. We will later attach the hangers to these bars. Here. You'll see later. We'll show you how to install the hangers according to the marks. We put all the hangers on the left side. If it's by the mark, we fasten the bar through the film. Alright, now I'll show you the Paranite gasket. I didn't show it. So we take these roofing screws so we don't have to drill holes in the hangers. We take these little screws. Then we take a roofing bit size 8 and let's go. I'll show you the gasket. Here's the gasket in the back. You press it against the hangers and I'll show you now. There's another gasket further in. This is so the metal doesn't transfer cold to the bar. Basically on wood it's not that significant. But if you attach it to brick walls this way, it's important to make sure the metal doesn't damage the brick. Because the material, wood is warm by itself. It's not strictly necessary, but we do it when we fully follow the technology. Then, after installing the hangers, we'll install the metal lathing. We fasten exactly too so it doesn't sag. We try to fasten it higher. In general it's preferable. Yeah, about 2 centimeters from the top of the hanger, and we fasten it so it doesn't bend under load. By the way, these P-shaped brackets are much better. They're stronger than the ones for drywall. Alright, I'll show you more now. I'll show you up here. So we also have a beam there every 60 centimeters. Well, 60, 59. It doesn't really matter. 59 is just for the insulation. I'll show you later how all of this, like this, then we adjust them so they're straight. That's it. I'll show you later how they'll look when they're done, how the whole wall will look. Then I'll show you how we'll do the battening. That's all. See you guys. Now I'll show you how to set up the first edge profile. We've already set up one edge over there. Now to set up the second profile, we need to take the same distance from the wall as with that profile. Let's say it's 5.5 centimeters here. We use a square, make a mark, and that's basically it. So what do we do next? I take the profile from this side. I take the profile and fasten it loosely at this mark. Now I'll fasten it loosely from the other end. Check if the surface looks okay there. Alright, we bend the tabs a little bit later, take the level and set it. The level. I'm underneath. Show that I'm underneath.
I'm showing the level.
How I'm gonna fasten it, then along the bottom like this. Now we're setting the profile according to the level. Here, according to the level, yes, and we clamp it. Our level is magnetic. Now the other end. Okay, let's set it. The screw fell. We fasten it with these screws. They're called Canopy.
It says low battery.
Well, basically then we just bend it like this all the way to the end. What did you do?
A message popped up. Low battery.
Is he still typing?
No, I removed it.
No. Is the camera recording this?
It is.
And also, we're doing the next one. We set it up at level. It's inconvenient here. Like this. This is how the first profile is set, the edge profile. And then we stretch a cord basically from this profile to the next one. And then we start installing the grid. Basically, we've already done some work. We've installed these hangers. You see everywhere, all over the house. Here we have it marked. First, you mark the axis down the center of the house all the way to the top. Then from this axis, using a tape measure, you make the markings. And that's it. It's best to do it with two people. And then this way the profile is set up. Alright guys, that's it. Goodbye. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, click the bell, and make sure to share the video with your friends so I can keep making more videos for you. That's all. Goodbye everyone. Alright, now I'll show you roughly how we've already stretched the cord. I'll show you now. So we fixed the screws and stretched it along the entire length to that edge. Now we'll lace it up. I'll put in a couple of profiles, you'll see. That's enough. The film comes later. No. Set up two profiles. So I hope you can see. Otherwise the body will sit now. Let's bring up the profile. And we clamp it. Damn, something's falling. It's especially uncomfortable in gloves. Damn. The core should be above the harness so it doesn't get in the way. Alright guys, that's it. Let's continue. The battery died yesterday. We finished installing the battens. I'll show you now. Here's what our batten installation looks like. On the house, this wall is already finished too. See, the wall is even. Flat surface. Look here. Same here. Well, that's basically it. That's how it is. For new subscribers, I'm saying this is a timber house. 150 by 150. There will be siding finishing here. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a corner out of metal profile. Alright guys, goodbye to everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.